In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create a checklist in Clickup using automation features. If you're new to Clickup, it's a powerful platform designed to streamline workflows, boost productivity, and keep everything organized in one place. Let's dive in and get started with creating an automated checklist. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. Once you're there, head over to the top right corner and click on the login button. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll see the option to sign in using Google. Click sign in with Google to make the login process fast and secure. After clicking, you may need to select your Google account. Pick the one associated with your Clickup workspace. Once you're logged into your account, let's move on to where the magic happens in Clickup. Within your workspace, locate the three dots icon. This is generally the universal sign for more options. Clicking on this will present you with a menu, and from there choose the templates option. Templates are incredibly useful for standardizing tasks and processes, saving you time in the long run. Next, select Browse Templates to explore the vast library of pre-made templates Clickup offers. In the search bar, simply type the word checklist. This will narrow down the options to templates related to checklists. Scroll through the results and select a template that best fits your needs. For instance, let's choose something like the weekly checklist. After you've chosen your desired template, you'll see a Use Template button. Click on it, and the template will be ready to be customized. At this point, you can rename it according to your project or team's specific requirements, perhaps something like Project Launch Checklist or Monthly Review Tasks. Once renamed, you'll hit Use Template again to confirm. The newly created template will appear in your workspace. Click on it to open. Now you have the option to edit the existing tasks within this template or add entirely new ones. This flexibility allows you to tailor the checklist precisely to your project's needs. Remember, these templates are designed to be modified, so don't hesitate to make changes. Whether you're adding new tasks, altering due dates, or assigning different team members, it's crucial to make sure the checklist aligns with your goals and timelines. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined process for generating checklists that can be used repeatedly, ensuring efficiency across your projects. And there you have it. That's how you create an automatic checklist in Clickup. It's an excellent way to keep your team on track and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.